Okay, now you're going to do an alternating bird dog. So this is for your back and your glutes. So you come on all your fours, your arms will be under your shoulders. So shoulders, arms, hips, knees. Knees will be under your hips. Your width over here will be also below the hips. Okay, from here, you're gonna reach one arm out and the opposite leg. So opposite leg and opposite arm. You're going to point it straight out your arms, and your legs you're going to point straight back. But you're going to do it alternating. So come up, hold here for a 2-second pause, and back again. Hold up, 1, 2, and then back again. Here it's going to look like this from the front.